Hey, it's Todd again with B&B Manufacturing. We thought we'd give you a little insight into a tour of our facility and a little bit about our company culture. So let's go. As we begin our little tour of B&B Manufacturing, this is the land that we sit on, 55 acres. We've got 3 ponds back here that our employees can fish that are fully stocked. And we've got walking trails that they can get out and walk throughout the day. There's a mile walking trail for them to stay healthy. And then as you see the building here, it's going to expand. We sit at currently 100,000 square foot, but we're going to expand it where we can put up another 150,000 square foot. So the total square footage will be 250,000 square foot in the near future. We're going to enter into the B&B. Come on in. As we enter in here, we're greeted by Rick Talbert. Rick's our president. Rick, say hi.
Hi.
So come on in. Thanks, Rick. So as you enter in B&B, we've got our engineering team here. We've got our customer experience team in the back. We've got our purchasing. We've got HR over here to my left. And if we go this way, we're going to head down to the break room. All right, this is our break room. So we just got done today with a lunch provided by our steel supplier. And this is where we have meetings. We can do conferences down there with a lot of our outside sales support. So we can do a partition wall off. If the employees want to play some pool, we also have a ping pong table that's not up right now. Gives them a little time to have a little R&R throughout the day, kind of catch up with each other. We've also got places where they can put their food. We've got microwaves that if they want to heat it up for lunch. And then we've got a snack area over here that they can load up their employee cards with money, and then they can come and get snacks throughout the day when they're hungry. And we got drinks as well. We're going to head over here to the other part of B&B. We still like to promote a healthy body, healthy mind. So this is our on-site workout room. We've got a gym here for all the employees to come in and throughout their day. They're given an incentive to work out every other day for 30 minutes so that they can stay healthy. They can do the walking trails. They can come in here, but just get away from their machine, get away from their desk. So as we leave the workout area, we're going to head to the left here and come out to our plant. This is where all the magic happens. So we've got all of our $20 million plus worth of inventory, stock, cataloged items. And this is where we make a lot of our made to orders as well. Thanks for joining us on the tour today at B&B. We're ended up in our conference room here at the corporate headquarters. It's where we meet with a lot of our customers and do our strategic planning to hopefully better serve you, our customers. Appreciate your time. Talk to you soon.